Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadia Faruqi Saidu Safar. I am working in JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about DNA repair. These are the key points. Concept and definition. DNA repair system, photoreactivation and dark excision. Concept and definition. Various DNA damages may affect the cells. Due to these damages, evolution takes place, and damaged DNA replication also takes place. If the DNA damage takes place in generation to generation, phenotype will completely get changed and cell may be damaged. But the specific enzymes which are present in the cells are carry out the repair of DNA. Thus, it recovers the damaged cell and avoid any biological changes. This phenomena is called as DNA repair. There is a system to avoid such damage, and such systems are known as systems that safeguarding DNA. DNA repair system. Following are the DNA repair system or method: photoreactivation and dark excision repair. First we see photoreactivation, which is also known as photo repair and direct repair. This type of DNA repair system or mechanism occur when the DNA is damaged by thymine-thymine dimer formation due to UV light. By this repair method, the dimer is immediately converted to monomer by visible light. In bacteria and yeast cell, this mechanism is observed. Let's see the mechanism. DNA is damaged due to UV radiation. The thymine dimer are produced. Thymine dimer becomes barrier for replication. These dimer are bound with photoreactivating enzyme. Their mechanism and name is still not known. They identify and bind with thymine dimer in absence of light but remain inactive. But when the DNA is exposed to visible light, then these photoreactivating enzymes become active and stimulated. They convert this dimer into monomer. The exact mechanism and name of this enzyme is still not known. As soon as the dimer are converted to monomer, the thymine bind adenine, and replication and other activities of DNA get started normally. This method is known as photoreactivation because it is light dependent. Next, dark excision repair or dark repair. This mechanism of repair is found in bacteria E. coli in mutant strain. The DNA damage due to UV radiation and thymine dimer is formed. If these bacteria are then stored in the dark, this mechanism or this DNA damage can be repaired by enzymatic process. Hence it is called as excision repair or dark repair or enzymatic process of DNA repair. This repair mechanism involves 4 different enzymes in different steps. First, enzyme endonucleases. The enzyme endonucleases identify the DNA where damaged part with formation of thymine-thymine dimer and makes break or nick on both sides of dimer in one DNA strand. Second, enzyme exonucleases. The enzyme exonucleases identifies the broken part of DNA. It excised or remove broken part of DNA along with thymine-thymine dimer. Thus, a gap is formed in the damaged DNA strand. Third, DNA polymerase. The enzyme DNA polymerase resynthesizes the missing segment in the gap using remaining opposite intact DNA strand as a template. The DNA polymerase copy the information stored in the intact strand by missing or by means of complementary base pairing. Fourth, enzyme ligase. The enzyme DNA ligase fill the gap by joining newly synthesized DNA to restore the original structure of DNA strand. Thank you.